Namaskar, my dear friends. In our clinics across the world, we have seen that a lot of people come with chronic UTI. UTI means urinary tract infection. Many people actually, when they have first time pus cells in urine and they get fever, they test the urine and there will be pus cells high, 25, 65, 100, and doctors would give antibiotics and pus cells are going away with that. But again after some weeks there is recurring UTI, again pus cells, again antibiotics, it goes, and after some weeks it's coming back again. Such kind of a chronic UTI, how can you treat it from the root cause? What can be done so that again and again you are not getting urinary tract infection? There are only two ways of dealing with this. First, you have to increase your immune system. The immune system has to be so strong that it will not allow again and again infection to come back. It will fight it out on its own. The second, in women, hormonal balancing. Because after 45, women get UTI because there is a depletion of estrogen. And because of that, the lining becomes so thin that immediately there is infection. As soon as you are exposed, it grows very fast. And in men, after 45, 50, the bladder lining becomes thick because there is slight benign prostate enlargement. The urine stays a bit in bladder, and because of that, when something stays, it stinks like the water, water staying in some place all the time without coming out. It will stink and create bacteria or some kind of pathogens. Same situation in the bladder, slight urine retention because of slight prostate enlargement will create infection, and it will keep on coming back again and again. So we have to work on the root cause. Ayushakti's approach is to work for women on hormones and for men on removing the bladder inflammation. I'll tell you what to do in both the cases. First, how you can completely boost your immune system. So every day, if you take turmeric, a teaspoonful, with 10 basil leaves, every day, this will help increase your immune system. But sometimes that alone is not working. You need a strong herbal formula. Ayushakti's Jeevan Yoga. Ayushakti's Jeevan Yoga is extremely powerful, along with Ayushakti's Virophyte. Both combined together boost the immune system, and we have seen in our experience that slowly, because of your own immune system, recurring urinary infection is controlled naturally. Second reason, in women, hormone balancing. How do you balance the hormone? By taking this home remedy every day when you are 45 or 50. Take a teaspoonful each of fennel, cumin and coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of ajwain powder, half a teaspoon of dry ginger powder. Mix it together in half a glass of water and take this whole mixture at least 2 or 3 times a day. Always when you turn 45, start this until you are 55. This will prevent everything connected with menopause, including UTI. For men, when they turn 45, they should take 20 pumpkin seed. 20 pumpkin seed crushed with half a teaspoon of ginger paste, a pinch of black pepper and 1 teaspoon turmeric. Mix it together and take it in the morning every day when you turn 45, because that will prevent prostate enlargement, and if you have it, it will slowly reduce it. Along with that, if you have UTI happening again and again, the third thing we always do, which is actually related with the flushing out bladder and kidney, so that any stone, any infection particle removes very quickly. For that we use Ayushakti's uretone formula and ketone formula. These two formulas, if you take it for 3 to 5 months, I have seen that it can immediately control the infection, but it can also prevent recurring infection completely, and finally you stop it and you still don't get the infection again. Along with that, you can take this home remedy, a simple home remedy, barley water. This is purely for UTI. So if you have UTI, you can take this actually 5-6 times a day. Take a tablespoonful of barley, add 3 glasses of water, pressure cook, filter it very well. So this will become like 1 or 2 glass. So this you can use it half and half 2 times. So take half and half of this mixture, and each time add a teaspoonful each of cumin, coriander and fennel seed powder, quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix it with this half mixture of barley water and drink it 1 time. If you have a severe infection, you can take such a mixture even 4 times a day, and you will get lots of urine, and all the dirt and everything will be flushed out, and that is how the UTI will be controlled naturally. So my dear friends, today what I have shared with you is actually coming from 35 years of experience of helping 1.5 million people in 108 countries. So if you have any trouble, use it in your life or share it with your friends and family so that they will have a great quality of life. And if you feel you need our support, our Ayushakti expert doctors are always ready to help you. You can click on the button below and book the appointments with our doctors. Namaskar, lots of love from Dr. Smita Naram.